Welcome everyone to another video. This time we're diving into a common SQL challenge that many beginners come across. It's understanding the difference between the where and having clause. These two are often confused, but by the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use them. I have this dummy data with me, which contains temperature records in Celsius of 10 cities. So the where clause is simply used to filter rows based on some condition. Suppose I want to know the cities where the temperature is greater than 25. We can observe that these are the cities that fulfill that condition. So we can write something like select star from records where temp is greater than 25. And you can see these are the cities which have temperatures greater than 25. That was very simple. Now let's just see what group by does. It is used when you want to group rows that have the same values in specific columns. For instance, let's club these different states and let's see what the average temperature is in each of them. So we can do select state temp from records, group by state. And actually, since we are doing average of the temp, we'll have to use this aggregate function, average. And in the output, we get the average temperature from each state. So it seems Texas is the hottest. Now, from this new table that we've got, let's say I want to know which state has the average temperature more than 20 degrees, which will be these ones. This is where the having clause comes in. We just need to write having average temp greater than 20. And we'll get only those states where the average temperature is greater than 20. You might be wondering what if we use the where clause instead of the having here. So let's try that out. What I'll write is where average temp is greater than 20. You can see SQL is throwing an error. That is the key difference between the two. When you want to filter data that you've grouped already, you use having. So ungrouped data is filtered with where and grouped data is filtered with having. That's the only difference. Now let's take this a little further and write a query using them both. So let's use the previous example where the temperature was greater than 25 and we have this output. Now I want to group this new output that I have. So group by state. So now we have grouped by that new output that we got where the temperature was greater than 25. And now from this new output, I want to filter only those states where the average temperature is greater than 25. So the way we can do that is we can write having average temperature greater than 25. Or let's say 30 in this case because the least value is 29. And we only get Texas. So first we got the states where the temperature was greater than 25. Then we grouped them based on the states. And then lastly, we filtered them again where the average temperature was greater than 30. I hope the difference between the two is crystal clear. And one note is that the order goes where, then group by, and then having. So that's it for this video. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.